everyone, welcome back to Carpe Diem with Ridhima. Today we are wrapping up our 5 weeks in New Zealand by sharing some of our absolute favorite spots in Auckland. From iconic cityscapes to serene beaches, a surprise encounter with dolphins, and the perfect spot to catch a sunset, this vlog has it all. Stick around till the end for a few takeaways if you're planning your trip. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps me bring you more amazing content. So let's get started. Come along. Let's start with the iconic Sky Tower. This is the place to get a panoramic view of Auckland. I'd recommend visiting in the evening. The city lights create a magical atmosphere. But heads up, it can get crowded, so I recommend to save your spot to catch the magical sunset when you reach there. Now this beautiful place is Cornwall Park. यहाँ से आपको Maori One Tree Monument भी दिखेगा. This was the first statue in the form of a Maori figure to be erected in Auckland. This is also considered as Auckland's landmark. During spring, the pink blossoms are a treat for the eyes. Can you see that fenced off area where you can see sheep and cows grazing? This spot is really great for a laid-back day outdoors. Then comes Goat Island. It's a paradise for kayaking. Goat Island was simply unforgettable. Paddling through crystal clear waters in a clear kayak felt like gliding over glass. And just as we got back to the shore after our kayaking, guess what? I saw 2 large fins appeared out of nowhere. Yes, dolphins! They came so close to the shore. It was such a magical moment. Our instructor said we were lucky to spot them at that distance, and I couldn't agree more. Look at their happy dance. This is a must-do activity whenever you are in Auckland. From Auckland, it takes about 1 hour 10 minutes to reach Goat Island. Devonport is one of the most charming places in Auckland. It's perfect for a relaxing day with quaint cafes and scenic coastal walks. But the real highlight? Ending your day here with a spectacular sunset. Watching the sun sink into the horizon while the city lights start to twinkle, it's pure bliss. ये स्पॉट भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Next spot, Mission Bay. It's all about fun and relaxation. The beach is perfect for swimming or just lazing around. और वो जो सामने दिख रहा है ना, वो volcanic island है. वहाँ पे ट्रैक पे आप जा सकते हो. We didn't get a chance to visit the island, but it's known for its hiking trails and fascinating volcanic history. Definitely worth exploring if you have the time. My favorite, Western Springs. Western Springs is the perfect place for a nature escape. The lush greenery, beautiful swans, the pigeons and seagulls, even eels in the water create such a peaceful vibe. Whether you're walking, jogging, or just sitting by the lake, this spot feels like a mini paradise. I just love this place. Now let's talk about Auckland's city life. क्वीन स्ट्रीट, ब्रिटोमार्ट स्टेशन, वर्थ विजिटिंग. यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे लग्जरी ब्रांड्स के शोरूम्स हैं. जो हमने स्काई टावर देखा था वो भी इसी एरिया में है. दिस इज़ लाइक मुंबईज नरीमन पॉइंट या बलाड पियर, वो टाइप का एरिया मुझे लगा. Britomart is the main or central train station of Auckland to catch your train. This area is also called as Auckland's CBD. ये एरिया में रात को हमको होमलेस पीपल एंड थोड़े जंकीज भी दिखे, तो थोड़ा संभल के रहना. We loved shopping at Glassons. It's kind of our H&M and Rashnika's favorite store. Every time we saw one, her eyes would light up and she would make a beeline for the entrance. So these were some of our absolute favorite spots in Auckland. This city has so much to offer and I hope this vlog helps you plan your own adventure. I have linked all my New Zealand vlogs in the description below, so check them out for more travel inspiration. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support keeps me motivated to bring you more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring and living your best life. Carpe diem, love you all, take care.